More breaking news coming in. Now, the centre has written to all the states and union territories asking them to ensure optimal medical oxygen availability. The centre has alerted the states that amid the current scenario, they should ensure adequate buffer stock of medical oxygen at all facilities. My colleague Ayushman is now joining me on the broadcast. Ayushman, actually the centre going ahead and making sure that what we saw in the second wave of COVID is not really repeated, and we have ample infra ready to deal with the third wave.
The centre has been writing letter to the states on the availability and the preparations, because the case number is rising. In fact, today we are close to 2 lakh cases. So this letter again points out to the significant aspects of what actually needs to be done on ground, and few of those are making sure that the adequate buffer stock of liquid medical oxygen is there, the availability of functional pressure swing absorption plant which have been commissioned by the centre, they should be functional. At the same time, oxygen inventory, oxygen cylinders inventory should be there. Sufficient number of oxygen concentrators should be there. The disinfection protocols should be maintained on ground in the healthcare settings, and trained people should be on ground, and at the same time the private hospitals infrastructure must also be updated, and the state government must be in touch with that. These are some of the key aspects which have been highlighted in the letter by Union Health Secretary to states. In this letter, the centre has once again apprised the states that the number is going very high, it is spiking, and if at all the hospitalization increases, you must be ready with the oxygen infrastructure, so that the need, as and when it goes up for oxygen, you should not scramble at that moment, and that's why the preparation is needed now.
Absolutely, Ayushman. So be prepared in advance. That's what the centre is asking the states and union territories. And this letter that Ayushman has been telling us about entails all the formalities and all the details that need to be actually put in place so that we are absolutely prepared in the wake of the third wave of COVID.